Hello, today I will show you how elapsed days, when you have tasks with elapsed days duration, affects on critical path. For this, I created very simple project with 3 tasks. All of them, they have 1 day duration. Okay, and now if I choose on Gantt chart here on view, instead of Gantt chart tracking Gantt, you will see that I have 3 tasks which are all on critical path, which is obvious. Let me rearrange this one. Okay, and I will go to time scale, right click. I will right click here and I will choose time scale, and I will say that middle tire is not going to be weeks but days, and bottom tire is not going to be days but hours. So what you can see, if I scroll to task number 1, right click, scroll to the task, you will see that task 1 will last from 8 to 5, 8 hours, then nothing until next working day from 8 to 5, and then third one from 8 to 5. Okay, now I will put some additional columns here, okay, in my tracking Gantt, which are going to be early start, okay, then I will spread it a little bit, early finish, late start, and late finish. Okay, now you see the task 1 has early start on Monday, early finish on Monday, and it latest must started on Monday to be finished on Monday because task 2 is waiting for it. And that is the same thing is with task 2, which is on Tuesday and on Wednesday, and task 3 is on Wednesday. Remember, tasks are on critical path when early start and early finish, and early start and late start, and early finish and late finish are the same. So when you see the task which has early start and late start and early finish and late finish which are the same, you can be 100% sure that that task, that it is on critical path. Now I will say that task 2 is not going to be 1 day duration, but 1 elapsed day. What 1 elapsed day means? Elapsed day means that this task should start immediately after its predecessor, and it will last 24 hours if the duration is 1 day. If 2 days, for example, it will start immediately after task 1 and it will last 48 hours. So let's go here. You will see that task 1 will start from 8 and finish to 5. Then immediately after that, at 5, task 2 is going to be started, and it will be finished on next day on 5 p.m. So it will not be delayed late, and the third one will start on Wednesday. And now you will see that task 1 has early start and late start and early finish and late finish the same, but early start from task number 2 is Monday, because it will start immediately. It can start immediately after task 1 is finished, and late start is on Tuesday. Why? Because it is supposed to start on Tuesday, but we put elapsed day, and that therefore it has a slack, and it is not on critical path. Why? Because you can see the slack is, though the slack is here, so task can be, you see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 hours. So if I put here 1.5 elapsed days, let's see what will happen. Still, it is not on critical path. But if I put 2 elapsed days Now it's on critical path. So basically, this task has slack, and slack is here. Because it's elapse, it is not concerned about those gray areas, which means non-working time. So that task can last longer. How much? Exactly from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.